Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel and remember to activate the notification bell. If you already subscribe, also remember to activate the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. So in this video today, I'm gonna install this tempered glass on the OnePlus 13. I have this package that I received yesterday, and I already opened it. But what's inside are two OnePlus 13 cases that I bought from AliExpress. The tempered glass is also from AliExpress. So for this these two cases, they're the same, and usually cases from AliExpress are of good quality. Now I don't remember exactly how much I gave for them, but I think I gave three almost $4 for each case. And as you can see here, the cases it's rubber, but it's kind of thick rubber. It's not hard. It's the same from the back, for the back, and then the back has this extra layer. You know, nowadays the phones are glass. Front is the glass. This one is not the glass. It's some frosted material. I don't remember which one it is, but it feels like it's supposed to mimic wood, but it's not. It's not wood. But anyway, so this is a good case. It's a good case, and I'm sure if you put your phone in here and drop it, you know your phone is protected, right? So I'm gonna install the tempered glass, but before we do that, we need to clean the screen. I've seen this installation kit on many social media, so hopefully it's gonna be easier to install. Oh, okay. Alright, so as I can see now, I figured it out. So you see there's this shape here, right? So I think you peel this thing off, then you place it on the phone. When it sits correctly, then you peel this one off, and supposedly the glass is supposed to stay. So it's supposed to be easier to install than a regular way to do it, where you place the glass and start applying pressure everywhere to install the protective layer. So let me grab that thing back. I think I need to take some stuff from that to clean the glass. Yes, so these two things. Before I use them, I'm just gonna clean it with my shirt first, to remove all the extra dirt that's in. Holy. Okay, so it looks a little bit better, and I can see that the phone came with with the protection already, but this is just plastic, which means actually I don't need to clean it. I'm just gonna remove this plastic. Yes, and maybe just clean the edges. So these two. So just the edges of the phone, because I can see there is a and this green one is wet, and this wipe is dry. The red wipe is dry, the green wipe is wet. So I think this is clean enough now. Or maybe this part. Alright, it looks clean enough. So as you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna peel this one off, this part here. And I'm gonna place it on the phone. You cannot miss, because everything is made in the shape of the phone, right? So you just press it. See, it just fits in, and also this way it's not gonna be it's not gonna be off when the screen protector is applied. So I don't know if you're supposed to do this. I'm just doing it this to make sure to make sure everything is applied properly. So now next thing is to peel this one off. But how do you peel it off? Is it from here or from here? I think I think I'm supposed to peel it that way because the arrow is pointing that way. So I'm gonna peel it that way. Alright, so now, ta-da! And then I can remove the protective. This one is off. So what's now? Oh yeah, I can see there's a protective layer somewhere here. I don't know if I'm supposed to remove that one then. But everything's installed correctly. No, everything's installed correctly. Everything is installed correctly. So let me wipe this one down. I still think I have to remove oh it looks like there's an extra layer of plastic here, but I don't know. And there's no extra. Yeah, there's an extra layer of plastic right here that goes around. But anyway, you can see everything is installed. Easy, there's no bubble. You can see there's no bubble, nothing. So I would say this is a hit. It makes it easier to install the protective glass yourself. You don't need to be any techie savvy or anything or handyman, nothing. It's pretty self-explanatory. But when you order this, you have to order the one that's made for your phone, because as you can see here, it's made for your phone. It just goes and sits properly. Everything is properly dimensioned. All the measurements are alright, so the glass doesn't come off sideways or anything. So, and you can get this on AliExpress. You can probably get it on Amazon as well, depending on where you live. But it's cheaper on AliExpress. So that was the short video, and the glass is installed now. Then you can just place the phone in your case, in the case there, and that's it. Now the phone is fully protected. Alright, if you made it so far to the video, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, don't worry, leave a comment below and tell me why you didn't like the video, and so I can make better videos. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, join the Panda Made Squad and subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Alright guys, thanks for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one.